How to log in into FedEx Workday account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into FedEx Workday account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First, open up a web browser and simply search for FedEx Workday account. After you search for FedEx Workday account, you'll find a website by Purple ID Okta. Head over there, and after you tap on it, you'll see that this is the website for FedEx Workday. Now, all you have to do is type in your username and then your password. And after you fill out both of those, tap on sign in, and you're good to go. And that's how you log in into your FedEx Workday account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.